Good evening, students. Today we will discuss introduction to HTML. So, HTML. What is HTML? HTML is a scripting language. What is the use of HTML? By using HTML, we can create or design our web pages or website. Okay. So, let's see. What is the full form of HTML? HTML full form is Hypertext Markup Language. Why HTML is very important for modern? Because in internet, HTML is uses. By using HTML, we can design everything. If you want to see or any information, if you want to get, then HTML is needed. Okay, so hypertext markup language. Today HTML is a major language of World Wide Web. Means what? Internet world. Okay, so it enables us to put text, pictures and sounds on a single web page. HTML together it support. Okay, in HTML all these things support together in a web page. The specialty of HTML is hyperlink. Once a special having HTML is hyperlink. Okay, by using HTML we can jump another page. Okay, this is hyperlink. A hyperlink is a type of link that helps to link several web pages to form a website. How HTML helps us? It helps us to, if we make, suppose we made 1 or 2 or 3 web pages, so we can add this website and web pages and we make a website. A web page or an HTML document appears different on various web browsers because each browser interprets HTML commands in its own way. An HTML document is created using Notepad, WordPad or HTML. If you want to do HTML language or coding, then we need Notepad, WordPad or text editor or HTML editor. Okay, then HTML tags. Here HTML tags. HTML is also one type of tag. Okay, so an HTML document is created using HTML tags. If you want to create HTML document, then you need to use HTML tags. HTML tags tells the web browser the way to display text, images and other things in an HTML document. What does HTML tags tells us or tells the web browser how to display the text, image or other things in the document. Okay, HTML tags are also referred to as HTML codes. Okay, these HTML tags are enclosed within left and right angle bracket. Suppose given BR. Okay, BR means bracket. Break. So HTML tags are two types. One is container, another is empty tag. One thing should to remember: when we type our code HTML tag, not code HTML tag, then we need to give the left or right angle bracket. That means what? This is less than greater than symbols. Okay, so container tags. Some HTML tags are always used in pairs. These tags are called container tags. Okay, given these are what? Some HTML tags are always used in pairs. These tags are called container tag. A container tag always consists of opening and closing tags. So this one and this one. Okay, these are containing tags. A closing tag has a backward slash within the angle brackets. The container tag encloses the text or other contents within opening and closing tags. It indicates the type of format which has to be applied on enclosed tags. So HTML container tags what tool? What type of, or what are the codes are inserted in tags? This container tags told us. The opening and closing tags also tags along with enclosed content is termed as element. What type of element are used in this tag? Tags, container tags told us. Okay, not told to us, it is told to HTML. Okay, or empty text. Empty text means blank. Okay, this HTML text which does not have an closing tag is called empty tag. Which tag has not having their tag, a closing tag, this tag called empty tag. Let's see beer and here given HR. So these two tags are not having closing tag. Okay, they are given heads in h1, header 1 and header 2. There his slash having, that is closing tag having, that's why it is called container tag. And there not any closing tag, that means slash not having, that's why they are told empty tag. Now let's see attribute. The elements in HTML also consist of attributes. The elements in HTML also consist of attributes. The attributes are properties of tags. The attributes are always written within the start tag of an element. Already I am told, if you want to write HTML code, then you should to remember, or you should write, use tag symbol. Okay, without tag your HTML code will, or HTML editor or text editor will not understand what type of language or program you are doing. Okay, so in your next class we'll see next topics on this